Hello and welcome to my channel. So what we're going to be doing today is doing the payment approval with NAPSA. So you can just click like and subscribe to see more future videos like this. Okay, so you can just follow the same steps that I'm doing. So we're using mobile money. Okay, so the number that we're using is I'm mostly fond of using MTN for me, so that I don't experience any problems with the other networks, but you can use it. So that's the pop-up that I've just received for the payment. So I just have to enter my mobile PIN to approve the payment and confirm. Then from there, we're done with the payment process. So you can just click like and subscribe to see more future videos like this in the future. Okay.